Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today talking about intelligent 3-in-1 fully automatic vacuum cleaner. Okay, here we go to the video. Vacuum cleaning, sweeping, and mopping all in one. Don't look at my small body, and my cleaning power is beyond your imagination. Bottom universal wheel design and automatic turning. Dead corners such as the bottom of the bed and sofa can be easily cleaned. Suction first and then dragging. Suitable for a variety of material floors cleanup. Long battery life make cleaning longer. Instructions. For more details, link is in the description. What do you guys think about this video? Remember to press the like button. Send your questions, suggestions if you have. Okay friends, be a good person. Bye. So I'm gone.